For years, investors have been on the hunt for that sweet passive income, the ultimate ticket to financial freedom. The idea of raking in cash effortlessly without trading time for money is seriously enticing. Now, there are various ways to score that passive income, but one strategy that has consistently delivered the goods is investing in dividend stocks. The million-dollar question that always lingers is, which dividend stocks should you invest in? Can you pick a handful and let them work their magic? And most importantly, can this investment actually provide financial security for people like James? Well, folks, in this video, we're going to spill the beans on the top 10 buy and hold forever dividend stocks. We'll break down just how much you can earn from an initial investment of $10,000. We'll also show you how to create a portfolio of these gems that not only brings in a steady income but also has the potential to grow your wealth exponentially. And guess what? We'll even reveal how you can start by investing a mere $200 per month and still rake in over $10,000 per month. But before we dive into all that good stuff, let's clear up one common mistake that trips up many investors: fixating too much on the current dividend yield. Stick around and we'll show you why this might not be the smartest move. Alright, let's get to the juicy part, our top 10 buy and hold forever dividend stocks, ranked from modest to the highest dividend growth rate. First up, we've got PepsiCo, known by the ticker symbol PEP. This dividend aristocrat has been dishing out increasing dividends since 1989. That's a whopping 34 years of consecutive dividend growth. The company boasts a current dividend yield of 2.68%, but the real star of the show is its 10-year dividend growth rate, which stands at an impressive 8.02%. Based on that rate, if James throws down 10 grand today and keeps the dividends rolling for 30 years, his investment will balloon to a staggering $108,287. He'll be pocketing an annual dividend of $8,266, which roughly translates to $689 per month. What makes PepsiCo stand out its lineup of household brands like Pepsi-Cola, Gatorade, Frito-Lay, Quaker, and Tropicana. With a payout ratio of around 80%, there's plenty of room for future dividend growth. Next in line is Ecolab. Tagged with the ticker symbol ECL, this dividend aristocrat has been doing its dividend dance for 30 consecutive years. ECL currently flaunts a dividend yield of only 1.13%, but for a long-term investor like James, it promises a 10-year dividend growth rate of 8.96%. Now, if James pitches in 10 grand today, reinvests those dividends, and sticks with ECL for 3 decades, he'll be sitting on a cool $142,725. That'll be an annual dividend of $12,103 or roughly $1,008 per month. Ecolab deals in sanitizing, cleaning, and water treatment systems, serving customers in almost every industry, from food safety to energy optimization. With its strong tech portfolio and sticky customer relationships, it's a heavyweight in its field. Our third contender is the 3M company, ticker symbol MMM. This dividend aristocrat has a remarkable dividend growth track record, having boosted its dividends for over 60 consecutive years. Currently, it offers a sweet dividend yield of around 5.52%, one of the highest in the game. Not only that, it boasts a competitive 10-year dividend growth rate of 9.33%. If James cups off 10 grand today and lets those dividends roll for 30 years, his investment will swell to a hefty $159,085. He'll be looking at an annual dividend of $14,016, which is roughly $1,168 per month. 3M, with its diversified product range from adhesives to personal protection gear, sets itself apart from the competition. Nvidia Corporation, symbol NVDA, takes the stage as our next buy and hold contender. It might be relatively new to the dividend scene, but this company has shown some serious growth in the past decade. Nvidia currently sports a dividend yield of only 0.04%, which might have some folks overlooking it. However, for long-term investors like James, Nvidia is promising a robust 10-year dividend growth rate of 11.02%. If James invests 10 grand today, sticks with NVDA for 30 years, and keeps those dividends rolling, his investment will swell to a jaw-dropping $260,829. He'll be raking in an annual dividend of $26,868 or roughly $2,239 per month. Nvidia is a tech juggernaut known for its exceptional performance in the GPU and AI markets. Its GPUs are considered industry standards for high-quality graphics. TROW price symbol TROW steps into the spotlight as our next dividend champion. This company has consistently boosted its dividends for 36 years straight. TROW price currently offers a dividend yield of 4.13%, and for long-term investors like James, it promises a 10-year dividend growth rate of 12.89%. Now, if James parts with 10 grand today, holds onto TROW for 30 years and lets those dividends reinvest, his investment will shoot up to a staggering $449,702. He'll be pocketing an annual dividend of $53,581, which is approximately $4,465 per month. TROW price is a giant in the asset management world, offering a wide range of mutual funds and investment styles. Now, let's talk about Costco Wholesale Corporation, with the ticker symbol COST. This company boasts a strong dividend track record, having hiked its quarterly dividends for 18 consecutive years. Its dividend yield currently sits at 0.74%, which might seem modest. However, for long-term investors like James, COST offers a respectable 10-year dividend growth rate of 12.96%. If James invests 10 grand today, keeps the dividends flowing, and stays loyal to COST for 30 years, his investment will mushroom to a whopping $458,944. He'll be enjoying an annual dividend of $54,957, or about $4,580 per month. COST is known for its membership warehouses, offering a wide range of products at discounted prices. JP Morgan Chase & Co., symbol JPM, takes the stage as our next dividend heavyweight. This global financial services firm is currently offering a dividend yield of 2.6%. But for long-term investors, it promises a generous 10-year dividend growth rate of 15.1%. If James goes all in with 10 grand today, sticks with JPM for 30 years, and reinvests those dividends, his investment will skyrocket to an astonishing $853,354. He'll be raking in an annual dividend of $117,556, which is roughly $9,796 per month. JP Morgan Chase is a financial juggernaut with a history spanning over 2 centuries, serving individuals, businesses, and institutions worldwide. AbbVie, a leading pharmaceutical company, is next on our list, with a dividend history spanning over 50 years. It's earned the prestigious title of Dividend King. AbbVie currently flaunts an impressive dividend yield of 3.96%, but the real kicker is its 10-year dividend growth rate of 17.16%. If James goes all in with 10 grand today, keeps those dividends rolling, and stays loyal to AbbVie for 30 years, his investment will soar to an eye-popping $1,545,682. He'll be taking home an annual dividend of $239,061, or approximately $19,922 per month. AbbVie is known for its strong dividend history and high dividend yield, making it a must-have choice for income investors. Visa Incorporated symbol V is our penultimate dividend star. While it currently offers a dividend yield of 0.76%, don't let that fool you. For long-term investors like James, Visa promises a jaw-dropping 10-year dividend growth rate of 19.02%. If James dives in with 10 grand today, lets those dividends work their magic for 30 years, his investment will balloon to an astonishing $2,636,157. He'll be enjoying an annual dividend of $447,023, or about $37,252 per month. Visa dominates the payments processing industry, with a global payment technology network that facilitates electronic fund transfers. Last but certainly not least, Cintas, symbol CTAS, steps up as the final buy and hold forever dividend stock on our list. This lesser-known dividend aristocrat is a heavyweight in uniform rental services, serving over 1 million business customers. CTAS has consistently increased its dividend for over 30 consecutive years, earning its spot on this list. While it currently offers a dividend yield of 1.08%, it boasts a stunning 10-year dividend growth rate of 21.8%. If James jumps in with 10 grand today, sticks with CTAS for 30 years, and reinvests those dividends, his investment will skyrocket to an astonishing $5,820,946. He'll be taking home an annual dividend of $1,114,793, or roughly $92,899 per month. Now, you might be wondering if you need to go all in with a massive investment. The answer is a resounding no. No. Remember the golden rule of finance. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, consider building a portfolio of these 10 stocks. By spreading your investments, you won't be risking everything if one industry takes a hit. Now, if you're curious about how to build a monster dividend portfolio, check out some of our other videos. So there you have it, folks. Investing in these 10 buy and hold forever dividend stocks has the potential to bring in up to $20,000 per month in passive income. The key is to pick the right stocks, reinvest those dividends, and give your investments time to grow. Don't let this opportunity pass you by.